Hey paper crafting friends, this is Dawn Bourgette with Dawn's Creative Chalet, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and today I got something really fun in the mail, so I wanted to show you guys what I received. It's a kit, it's a new kit, so just to show you right here, as you probably have heard me talk about, we have kits available from Stampin' Up! We have our paper pumpkin kits, which are more of a monthly subscription, but we also have kits that you can purchase and take on the run, so to speak. We have $12 kits that require absolutely no stamping. So whether you're a beginner, casual, or avid crafter, they're perfect sometimes when you just want to do something that's easy and that you don't have to think about, right? I mean, even I enjoy the kits that are a little easier now and then to give myself a little bit of a brain break from the creative mojo. And then we also have our $19 kits, which include a stamp set. And they also give you a little ink spot, so you have a teeny tiny ink pad and a block for your stamps. And again, they're meant for all types of crafters, whether you're a beginner, a casual, or a very avid crafter. And they're great for those days, rainy days, snow days, just if you're bored and want something to do, get a little creative. Also, they're great for your kids or your grandkids, or if you're traveling or camping, you name it. They have everything in the box that you need other than snail adhesive, which you may need now and then, and also paper snips. Okay. Otherwise, if you need dimensionals or mini glue dots, they include those in your kits as well. So you can't go wrong for $12 or $19, right? So we have a new kit on the block. Get it? New kit on the block. And this kit's name is Celebrate Today, and it's a magnet board. And I don't know if you've seen, here's the number for it, 159335, if you would like to order it at my online store. This kit is $25 and it's worth every penny. Wait till you see it. It is so darn cute. And once again, if you like to grab it up at my online store, because I think that these are going to go pretty quickly. Again, I myself, I've purchased 6 of these because I do want to have them on hand for my customers. I think once they see it, they're going to have it. And I think I have a couple of ideas for at least one more kit for myself. I know I'm greedy. I'm bad. Anyway, go ahead and use the February host code if you're viewing this video during February 2022. If you have more than $150 in your cart, make sure not to use the host code, okay? And keep those rewards for yourself. You're going to get some free stuff, basically, at $150 or more on an order, okay? All right, let's get to the good stuff. So it comes in this cute little pizza box. Adorable, right? And even check out the side. It's got polka dots, and you guys know me with polka dots. I love polka dots. So anyway, something that you might want to do is keep the box. The box is just as cool as what is inside the box. And I say that because what is in here is a 12 by 12 frame. So we can use these to store 12 by 12 paper, whether we want to store them in our craft room or maybe on the go to a crafting event, a crop, that type of thing. So I would definitely say keep the box because it's just so stinking cute. And it's pretty heavy duty as well, okay? So let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right, so we have some cute sticker sheets. And they are cardboard, or not cardstock stickers. Oh my goodness, Dawn. Cardstock stickers. So they are heavy duty stickers. They're not the chintzy things. And then there are several different languages. So you can pick and choose which language. Oh my goodness, and they're kind of sticking together. Okay, let's find English. There we go. And you'll see on mine, what I've done with mine with the stickers is I've used dimensionals on them to pop them a little bit more. They're just a lot of fun to play with. And check out all the cute little verbiage that you can add, whether it's to your pockets. They give us a couple pockets, which I'll show you in a minute. And then also a whole bunch of these cards. I'll show you those. And they have, oh my gosh, quite a few different patterns. So whether you want to use these to make little lists and keep organized, or maybe you just want to use them for like mats for photos and put photos on your board, that type of thing. But check that out, aren't they cool? And did I already mention the colors that are featured in the kit? Just in case, I'm going to again. And if I have, I apologize. But in the kit, the colors that coordinate with our products, our colors at Stampin' Up! Are Basic Black, Blushing Bride, Flirty Flamingo, Melon Mambo, Mint Macaron, and Smoky Slate. Pretty cool. All right, awesome. So you can see the coordination between the cardstock stickers and the 3x4-inch cards. They also give you some tear and tape because you'll need this to put the pockets together so that they don't fall apart. It's super sticky and it's so easy to use. You literally tear it. You don't even need scissors. In this box are the clips that have the magnets on them, and I'll show you that in a minute with my board. And also, they give you full color instructions. Whoops, that I'm getting stuck to that wonderful packaging. All right, so full color instructions. So you can go with exactly the way they've made theirs, or you can just go outside the box. But it's kind of a nice way to get you started, if anything else. Get that creativity flowing. And then also, here are the pockets. So you can either have this showing on the outside, or you can have the more subtle side showing. So pretty cool. I decided to use this side for my pockets, and you'll see that in just a minute. And then also, here is the designer series paper. Whoa, sorry about that. Oh my goodness, not doing so good today. The designer paper that you can use as a background. Now, if you don't like these, you can go ahead and choose something totally different that's in your stash. That's where the fun comes in and where you can really get creative with your kit. But I really like this one. And then we have the back side, which is very subtle, right? And I originally started with this one. And then there's this, which is kind of fun, more bold, right? A little pop of color there. Or there's the black and white dots, which is a lot of fun too. So just in itself, I mean, if you get bored with this, you could take it out, switch it up. Get bored with that, switch it up. Get bored with that, switch it up. You get the idea, right? And then also, I'm not sure if you can see this. I know there's gonna be a big glare on this, but this is a 12 by 12 white wood frame, and then a 12 by 12 magnet sheet, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and show you what I came up with for my kit. So here is mine. Isn't that cool? So much fun. So I took one of the cards and I put a sticker on it that says create this, so I can make myself a little list. And I love these little cardstock sticker hearts, and I use my rhinestones because that's kind of a signature of mine. Everything has to sparkle. And you could add ribbons to this, which I think would be really cute. You could stamp the background if you wanted to, or like I said, go with something totally different on your own. Here is one of the pockets. Like I said, I chose to have the smoky slate patterns on the outside, and they give you the tear and tape to put, and you just need a little bit of tear and tape right there to seal on each end. And then I also put some of the cards that come with the kit inside so I can make more lists. And then I decorated with those cardstock stitches, Oh, stickers. Oh my gosh. Tongue-tied today. It is Friday, you know. So what I did is I popped up the cardstock stickers with dimensionals. You can see that. And again, add a little bit of bling. And this as well. I just took another one of the cardstock stitches. I'm going to continue saying that all day. It's not a stitch, it's a sticker. Goodness. And again, added bling to it. I swear, every time I record, I get tongue-tied. And then here's the other pocket. Once again, I chose to have the more neutral background, or yeah, on it. And then the inside of this one is that green color. And I put some more of the lists that I can use later on in there. Something else I think would be kind of cute is maybe using some ribbon and making maybe a little holder in the side for a pen or a pencil that you could stick on the side that slides down in, holds it in place. So whenever you want to make a list, you have your pen or pencil right next to it and handy as soon as you have a thought that comes to mind. But yeah, it's so much fun, you guys. And like I said, I don't know how long these are going to be available. I know we had a birthday kit that I really want to show you guys, but I've hesitated because as soon as that kit came out, it was gone. Like within a day, it was gone. So I still have it set aside to show you guys once it becomes available again, because I hate to show you things that aren't available because that's like teasing you, right? But anyway, once again, it's item 159335 and it's $25. You may want to grab up a couple in case you want to put a couple on your wall. Of course, for me, anything in threes on my wall looks great. And again, a great gift for a crafter or an organizer in your life. All right, guys, if you have any questions, make sure to reach out to me. Thanks so much. Make something pretty and get inky. Bye-bye.